up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brad, aNotSoSingleDad, and this is part 2 of our October family vlog series. We take the kids out to a little fall festival and just enjoy being outside together in the fall weather. Thanks for tuning in last time. Black Ops Paintball's Zombie Hayride was absolutely a blast. We had an awesome time. Hope you guys liked the intro. I'm gonna let my bonus boy Tootie let you guys know exactly what's going on.
We're at the Corn Maze. Spider.
I don't want to even see it. Just go.
It's a big spider.
Don't want to even see it. I kind of want footage of it though, but I don't want to see it. Continuing our fall outings, we are at the Gallberry Farm Corn Maze, and what else they got going on?
The Corn Maze funnel cakes. That's the most important part.
Gallberry Farm is a beautiful piece of property located in Hope Mills, North Carolina. There's a 6-acre corn maze. The rest of the property is divided up into different activities. There's a barrel train, hayride, tons of animals.
Hey, Mr. Goat. Don't have much to say? All right. Well, say hello to your mother for me.
Some quirky photo props, cornhole setup. They have peacocks, a jumping pillow, all around great stuff. Now, as soon as we got there and got our wristbands on, our kids went straight for the slides. So I handed off the 360 camera to each one of them, let them roll down with it, got some cool shots.
Hold it like this, right in front of you. Don't hit it on the top, and don't let it hit the bottom, okay? Good job!
Dad, come down here!
The next thing that caught the kids' eye was this cool little enclosed area with these big rideable bouncy balls. Kids absolutely loved doing this. Super colorful, high energy. They had a great time. After that, we headed over to the barrel races. We got in right away, and it was really fun for me to film as well.
Push on this side. Wrong one.
The kids had fun playing on some of the prop toys while Nikki ran and grabbed some food. Food, of course, is at festival price. As long as you go in expecting that, I don't think the cost of food here is going to raise an eyebrow. We sat down at one of the available picnic tables, hung out and ate our food, and proceeded from there over to the pig races. Guys, the pig races were actually really fun. They make a whole big thing about it. By the end of the race, Nikki had shown up with probably the biggest funnel cake I've ever seen in my life. Took a little cruise by some of the animals, and it was starting to rain slightly, so we hung out underneath the Golden Goat Bridge. Suddenly, the rain completely cleared up, and the skies were beautiful again. So we headed back into the park, straight for the corn maze, to make sure that we wouldn't get rained out. Corn Maze is really well put together. There's a sign out front, and they do recommend you take a picture of it. There's also pamphlets containing maps that you can snag to take with you. We opted to go into the little kid section. Gallberry Farm Corn Maze is not a haunted maze, so it's totally cool for little kids, but we did run into some local wildlife.
I didn't even look at it. I don't even see it. Just go.
As you guys saw earlier, you are outside in the middle of a cornfield, so just be aware of your surroundings.
Nikki got lost in the little kid's corn maze.
Bradley did.
Mickey did.
We all did.
We all did.
We went for the hayride next. The hayride was really nice. It took maybe 10 or 15 minutes to go the full loop. We went right through the woods and had more opportunities to try and snap a couple of family photos. You know, it's one of the things that is hard to get as a family is pictures of everybody together unless you end up asking somebody. After we got off of the hayride, we did find somebody who could finally take a family picture of all of us together. I think these turned out really good. These pictures alone were 100% worth the cost of admission to come in here. We'd already been here for about 2 hours total at this point. We still had costume shopping to do, so we started heading for the exit. We let the kids play on some of the playground equipment on the way. We packed it in, and then we headed for Spirit of Halloween.
Can't see what it is.
You know guys, with our new schedule with the kids, it's been so much easier to spend quality time with them and actually schedule this kind of stuff to do. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I am all about fitness, family, and self-improvement. This little vlog series is gonna wrap up with the next video when we go to Carolina Pines RV Park and do a little bit of glamping together. The facilities there are incredible. Nikki may or may not have actually won the costume contest for the entire campground. You're just gonna have to tune in to see. So I'm Brad and Not So Single Dad. Throw me a like for the killer B-roll, and I hope you guys continue leveling up and improving yourselves, taking the dates when you can, spending quality time with your family. All right, I'm out of here.